नमस्ते, जय बजरंगबली।
जय बजरंगबली। Very good morning to everyone. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to Ubud, Bali. Yesterday you have seen my video that we came to Bali. We had our long journey through Air Asia flight. We came back from all the way from Kolkata. So let's go to Ubud now.
Like this one, I give you 90. This one 100.
This one is
90.
no, give us discount.
Yeah, okay, 80. ये क्या बोल रही है? ओ शाहरुख खान 25. ले लो नहीं
अरे आंटी पहना दो। अरे कुछ शर्ट और मान टाइम समझेगा आंटी।
So right now we are at Goagaja Temple, and this Goagaja name means Goa means the cave, and Gaja is the hathi or elephant, whatever it is. So we are in fully prepared right now. If you come here, so you have to wear all these things as per their tradition. Otherwise, you won't be able to enter to the temple with shorts or anything like that. So me and Chad both are wearing things. Oh my God, जस्ट मेरा कंडीशन देखो। साथ को अपना चाय मिल गया, साथ को चाय पिला दिया उसका सुबह से। जब तक चाय नहीं मिलता है तब उसका तो हालत ख़राब हो जाता है। फिर अभी उसका चाय मिल गया, मतलब उसका मेडिसिन है। So now we are exploring properly this temple. This is a beautiful place. उधर भी थोड़ा जाके देखते हैं। ताकि यहाँ पे थोड़ा फॉरेस्ट टाइप का बहुत पेड़ है, बोल के यहाँ पे थोड़ा टेम्परेचर लो है, बट बहुत सनी होने की वजह से दिस इज़ वेरी ह्यूमिड, बहुत ज़्यादा ही ह्यूमिड है। अभी जाके गाड़ी में एसी में बैठते हैं, फिर उसके बाद बाकी बातें। Tegalalang, yeah, we have reached to Tegalalang right now, and there is a famous Bali swinging over here, and we are going for that.
So the first they come out flower between the stick and the leaf. So after come out flower, they will be come out small bean, and then they grow until bigger. So when they ripe, they change the color to be red color, and it's ready to take it. So the coffee bean totally they have 3 lining skin. After we take it, the red coffee berry, we peel the first skin of the coffee, and we have to clean the gel with hot water. So the second skin of coffee, they have a little bit gel and water, but the taste for the gel, sweet gel, it's like cherry. After that we dry, and after we dry, we peel 2 layers skin of the coffee bean, and then we start to make coffee. I will show you later. This way first. And this is the one animal, the coffee bean we call luak in our language. Yeah, luak. They are an optional animal, sleep in the day, active in the night. As we put in the cakes, they active during the day as well. Normally they live wild on the bamboo. They made the nest from bamboo leaf. I mean, they live in the flat bird. Yeah, don't put your finger. They are aggressive. They bite. The coffee maker. On the coffee bean like this. This is after we dry, and then we wash with hot water. And after that we dry again. So after we dry, we peel 2 layers skin of coffee. And this is the second skin. Yeah. And then become green color. So the food from the animal, then that's a bit it will drink. It's clean. And this is the spice. We have rosella, ginger, cacao. Spice like
Stop Mark singing.
45 minutes.
So अभी जो मेरा पीछे है, this is the famous Bali swing, which we generally see in Instagrams, and also we are also planning to do that. Here basically 3 swings are there. You can choose any one of them, but right now it is 35 people are there in the queue, so we have to wait for long, and that is why we are planning which one to take. So let's go. This seems that people are enjoying very much. Oh my God, just look at them. So finally now our turn has come, and one of our person is going for the swing. I have planned for going to last, and hopefully video थोड़ा अच्छा है. So let's see what I get, and all the best to her. So finally मेरा टर्न आ गया. अभी 1 घंटा से ज़्यादा हम लोग वेट किए. So hopefully you can understand by the waiting only that this is very popular in Bali right now, and he is going to help us. Oh my God, just now I have done, and thanks to this guy. He's from local. What's your name, by the way?
Wayan.
You work here, right?
Yes.
Okay, so he helped me, and they are also very helpful. They help me, and this is much more fun. So every day, how many people come for this?
Around 400 car every day.
400 people for every day.
More than 400.
More than 400 every day. So you can understand that how popular it is nowadays. And chalo, we will go to the next one.
Jai Bajrang Bali.
Say once.
Jai Bajrang Bali.
Jai Bajrang Bali. And finally I have found a place where I can fly my drone. I have asked these people, and they have allowed me to fly. So right now I'm looking for a safe place, and I have found one place from where I can fly my drone. So let's see. we are looking for our car and we'll go to our next destination. So overall this place, I like this. This is a very good place, and there was the entrance. No, sorry, this was the entrance. From entry you take left.
Let's go.
We have got our cab, and finally let's go.